Hey everyone, I'm back. It's Ian and I'm not going to be bringing you Audi TT Mark II videos today. This time we're going to be going down into our storage where we've been keeping something very special. So let's have a look and see what's behind these gates. There we go guys, so it's a Mk4 Golf R32, so make welcome one of the very special of 200. Now because this has been in storage for a while, we've got a battery here that's been charged up and just going to bolt it down. Now I did forget that, if you do remove the battery and reconnect it, this happens. So we did get freaked out a little bit, but that's okay. Luckily we've got the key fob to turn that off. Now, our original plan for this was to get it on the road as quickly as possible, but obviously that hasn't happened and a lot of things have gotten in the way. So it's just trying to remember where we've put everything now, and we were pretty organized here. As you can see, we put things in boxes, and what we're doing first up is just to put the bumpers on so it's gonna be ready for transport. And we've managed to keep everything nice and organized in these little storage boxes, as you can see. Now just to show you guys that this is a genuine R32, there's the Edition 200 badge right there. Alright, so time to put the bumpers back on. So luckily for this little storage compartment box, we were able to identify which bolts were going to help secure the top of the bumper and then help to secure the bumper at the wheel arches very easily. Now that the front bumper is securely fitted, it's time to move to the rear of the car. And first up, what we're going to do is ensure the lights are working so that we can have this in a drivable condition.
Yep, brakes work, the resetter works, that indicator works, that indicator works, slow check works. Yep, this indicator works. Yep, that indicator works. Left side indicators. It's all good. Yeah.
Cool, so we're happy with the lights and their functionality. Time to remove them so that the bumper can be refitted. On refitting the number plate lights, we found that one was broken. I'm pretty sure that's been broken for a while. So if anyone has any suggestions as for a good replacement, please let us know.
Okay, that's fitness by. Oh, stop looking at. Okay.
Awesome, okay, things are looking good. So the back bumper is on, the engine is purring, and we're just going to have a little walk around here just to show you what we've got on this Golf R32. So it's very dirty. It has been in storage for, a few months, more than half a year, but you can see that there are some goodies hiding within, which is really cool. Can't wait to get this out on the road. And welcome to one of the best parts of this car, which is the engine. That 3.2 VR6 is absolutely amazing. Can't wait. Now, fun fact, I actually built that by hand. Now, as I'm doing this voiceover, you should see the smile on my face. Just looking at that engine and thinking about driving it is making me super excited. But first, it's time to put away the TT 3.6. So for now, all energy is going to be focused on mobilizing the Golf R32. So here we go, taking it out and bringing it home. can't beat that sound, can you? So on the way home, we had to fill up a little bit and also just make sure the tire pressures were okay. And finally, here are some last pictures that I'll leave you with more goodies that are on this car. So it's not your average Golf, it's not your average Golf R32. Can't wait to give you more of this content as we progress with the repair of various parts of the car and getting it back up to scratch. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I know it's something a little bit different, but I hope you guys like that video. And if it is something that you guys want to see more of, please let me know and I'll do my best to bring you more updates for this very, very special Golf. Especially down here in Australia, you saw that there was that badge there showing that it's a specific number out of 200 that's only in the country. So looking forward to bringing you more. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.